Have you been struggling to create copy for your landing page? Unless you're a pro copywriter, it's extremely difficult to write copy that actually converts. Plus, it's super time-consuming. A good landing page created from scratch often takes at least a week or two to complete. That's why AI-powered copy is becoming extremely popular, and PhoneSites is taking the lead in this movement. PhoneSites help small businesses generate high-converting marketing copy in just a few clicks. In fact, here's how simple it is. Step 1. Enter basic info. Enter a short description of your product or service. No sales psychology needed. Step 2. Click Generate. Choose Generate to get several high-converting copy variants to choose from. Step 3. Copy and paste. Copy and paste the text to your PhoneSites landing pages editor and start collecting leads. This way, you'll go from idea to fully implemented website or funnel literally in minutes. Once you start your trial, you can go ahead and build a landing page within minutes, send traffic to it, and watch your leads convert into paying customers. The best part is they'll hold your hand through the entire process even if you're not sure where to start, including explaining everything to you, creating your first landing page with you, and helping you with tips and tricks on how to empower your business for getting more leads. Without copy that hits the right spot in your reader's heart, you're going to experience a majority of people bouncing off your page. That's thousands of dollars in revenue you're leaving on the table. You don't want that. You want people to immerse themselves in your business, and most importantly, to buy from you. Fortunately, you don't have to spend hours writing the copy yourself or hire an expensive copywriter to do this. Instead, you can simply rely on AI-powered landing page builders to do all the hard work for you. It really is that simple. Check out the link down below to start now.